Hey y'all, Galactic Demos here. We're gonna be doing a install today on the 450 CF Moto, and well, here it is. We're gonna be moving it over closer to where I'm at, and doing the install. We'll be adding the adjustable clutch and brake lever, and also the brake and clutch hand guards. So let's get that started. Just have them here in the beautiful Chipotle bag for safekeeping, of course. Uh, Beautiful sun, nice and warm. I love it. So here we have it. I already took them out of their box, and yeah, they look pretty nice. Oh yeah, this texture feel to it. It's pretty cool. I like it. I believe it's aluminum. It's very lightweight aluminum with plastic, of course. Gonna set these aside for now. Ah, these gorgeous babies right here. Look at these. Oh yeah, beautiful. Still got these still in the package. A quick unboxing of that. Oh, look at that. Yes, been waiting for these for much too long. Anyways, let's get to the install. Alrighty then. Looks like it's gonna be flathead. Maybe a 12 millimeter at the bottom. Nope, not. Let's try a 10. Yep, bingo. Bingo. The only downside is that I don't have a flathead, so I'm not sure if that's gonna be an issue. Nope, looks like it might be. Oh, no, never mind. I had to improvise here using a blade because I don't have a flathead anymore. I've used them all at work, and they're either at work or they've been lost. So, I mean, got the job done so far, thankfully. Ooh, that is very oily. It's not expecting that. Thank you, Mother Nature. Simply the clutch one. Oh, here's the fun part of always getting this. So I was having a little bit of trouble. It's only the second time I've ever done a clutch slash brake lever replacement. But then I remembered after watching a video, of course, that you gotta loosen this right here to the clutch in order to give yourself a little bit more slack, just so you can have that leeway room, so you can pull the cable out a bit more, so you have that wiggle room. A little bit ago, I was struggling a lot. I was not wanting to damage anything. So pretty, so pretty. Now to add the guard. Yeah, they are about the same, but they have more threads. I wish I had a torque wrench for stuff like this. If I knew exactly what the torque specs. Beautiful. So much better. Alrighty, let's move on to the next phase. Put you away. Right there. See, let's see if it fit. This one. Aha, look at that, it does fit. Can put those away. Store them for just in case, or to possibly sell them online. Who knows? Put that over there. Now I heard the other side's a lot trickier because of the brake lines. So let's find out. Sorry everyone, I got a little bit distracted because my GoPro overheated because of the enclosed case that I have it in right now since I don't have an open case. Um, and I also got distracted continuing working on this. So what I ended up doing is just grabbing a 10 millimeter wrench and a 8 millimeter socket to be able to get this bolt right here that's really in the way with the lines. So 10 millimeter wrench right here on this nut right there, 8 millimeter socket on this, and two get the lines out a little bit. There you go. The clutch. So there it goes. Let's see. Let's put that away to be safe. Let's put it there for now. This side, the brake side, is so much easier. Even though you have these cables getting in the way, it's just so much easier than the clutch side. Clutch side always freaks me out, even though it's not that big of a deal. But I'm just probably gonna have to readjust the clutch and get used to it again because I did have to move it around a bit and change it. So that just means I have to go test ride it, make sure that it's correct where it's supposed to be, and then let me park this real quick, and then just figure it out from there. But the brake side is just so much more simple. Just remove those parts. What brand is that? Hang T? Probably butchering that, but nonetheless, brake side's much easier. Just that one bolt, that 8 millimeter bolt, and that 10 millimeter nut, and easy to remove, easy to replace. So I've done that side first, to be honest. Would have been fun. Just look how gorgeous these things look. I just, I love the way these look. They just look so much better to me. Sure to get the piston in there correctly. Right. Where's that? Oh yeah, I put it down over here, didn't I? Let's get that back in there. Make sure that's it. Correct in its spot. All right. Where did I put my? Where did I put it? Did y'all see where I put it? Oh, of course I put it in there. Oh, there we go. Finally slipped in. That's what she said. Sorry. Okay. Funny jokes this way. Okay, this head strap mount is not that great, to be honest. Like I have it strapped pretty tight on my head, and yet it still flops around everywhere. Here, let me try and retighten it. Same issue. Oh well. Hopefully it comes out good. Okay, get this nice and snug in there. Alrighty, that's in there. Just gonna make sure to tighten this one. Oh yeah, put it in my pocket. Does this sound like if I'm talking quiet? Because I think this entire time I've been kind of talking kind of quiet. Seems weird to be talking to myself. Feels like, but in reality, I'm talking to all of you. Or maybe watching this, maybe not watching this. There we go. Make sure to not over tighten there, buddy. Because you not want to strip anything because these parts are not easy to come by. Okay, I'm gonna call that good. I gotta stop. Bad tendency of over tightening things. Oh, where'd it go? Oh yeah, it's right there. Oh, no! These AirPods, I swear, they always fall out. Oh my gosh, this thing just is not that great. Now it's falling off of my head. Sweet time. Okay. Squeaky's about the same. There we go. I think that's good right there. Oh my gosh, my hands, I swear. Ever since that motorcycle accident that I had years ago, it's always giving me issues with my motor control when I have like small little objects in my hand. Thankfully, it doesn't affect my riding. That would be absolutely detrimental, or my driving. But yeah, I definitely have some issues still. For context, I got ran over. Oh, great, it moved. Got ran over a few years back. And when I say a few years back, back in 2015, this one lady decided to come out of the 7-Eleven parking lot and yeah, she T-boned me when I had a green light turning left to keep things short. And she ran me over. I got knocked out and I wake up under the car and the first thing I see is like her tire just rolling towards my head. My helmet was jammed between my body and the front fender. So yeah, fun times. Yeah, there we have it. There's an install. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to return this head strap. It is not working whatsoever. Anyways, y'all, catch you on the next install.